So let's get this started. Week 1 recap. 1 week down, many more to go. So to be honest, this week went okay. It could have went worse, but I definitely feel that it could have went a whole lot better. Some things happened in the market that was unexpected at the last moment. But quick recap. Last week we did 4 trades. We traded IWM, we traded SPY, we traded BMNR, and we also traded GLD. And if you can look at this wall of red, this kind of tells you what the market did. We go back up here. We started this week with $5,000 and we was doing good. I was going into thinking I was going to do this video talking about how we was up $81 for the week, and I was excited. Then we got to this morning, the market took a nosedive, and now we're down $219. But the market does that. You can't panic. We're just gonna roll with the punches, and I'm gonna explain what happened. The main thing that happened was I got assigned on the shares of BMNR. And with me getting that assignment and getting the 100 shares, when the market crashed, of course, those shares went down. They was originally at $33. We acquired them at $32, and then they went all the way down to $28. So that's where the difference is happening. One thing I did want to show is I do have a spreadsheet that I put together. Still working on it. Well, it's not perfect. There's a lot of things I need to change in it, but it gets the job done. I'm able to log my trades, and you can see, for example, IWM is listed twice. That's because this was a credit spread, and technically when you're doing a credit spread, you're doing 2 different options trades. You're both buying an option and selling an option at the same time, which means you're doing 2 trades. At the moment, this is the only way I know how to represent that. So you can see how we have the credit spread on IWM, the credit spread on SPY, we have the cash secured put on BMNR, and then of course I also had a credit spread on GLD. If I go to my dashboard, it shows it over here, showing this only shows what those particular options and how they performed, not the underlying stocks. So from the premiums, I made last week $164, but because BMNR went down farther than expected, that's not represented in our weekly total when we go back to Robinhood. But we're expecting it to go back up, and it also gives us the opportunity to learn the next leg of the wheel strategy, which is doing a covered call. So next week I will definitely be doing a covered call on BMNR and whatever other trades that we decide to make. That's going to be in the next video. That's the end of this recap. If anybody have any questions, just let me know in the comments, and see you in the next video.